What's up, everybody, and welcome back. Today, I'm continuing the Pagtatag documentary, or Pagtatag the documentary. This is SB19. So this is, from their concert and everything like that they went around the world and stuff like that and traveled. But this is gonna be really cool. The first two parts have been amazing. Go check those out if you haven't seen them. If you haven't seen our previous reactions to SB19, go check those out as well. Been following SB19 since like their beginning, and they are such an amazing group. So I'm really excited to get back into this. I know it's been a little bit since episode 2 that I reacted to, but I'm gonna go, this should be coming out a lot faster now. But I'm gonna hop into it and check it out. You guys let me know what you think in the comments below, and let's do it. We had just started them performing, so I went back like 10 seconds so we can see the whole thing. That way it's not like starting while, in the middle of it. They look fantastic in those white outfits, they really do.
Parang every time we perform, we make sure na iba yung level and iba yung atake namin sa mga shows namin. And doon kami lalo na-challenge. Kung lagi kaming may show, so dapat mahigitan namin yung previous show namin sa show namin ngayon.
That's cool they go out there and perform their solo stuff too. That's awesome.
Nakasunod na araw yung lalo na. Parang piling ko makakapit ako. Parang galit lagi.
Try mo yung lalo na ng sweet. Gano'n na pagpasok mo.
I bet that is a lot for his voice and everything. I can't imagine.
Magbaraw po kayo. Kanino pong phone?
Wala naman.
It's 11:55, 5 minutes ago para mag-12. Papunta kaming LA ngayon para sa next show namin. It will take us 6 hours para makarating doon. Medyo nakakapagod.
That's gotta be tough.
Syempre, yung mga ganitong bagay kasi yung parang kumbaga very unforgettable sa amin na wow, grabe, we just did a show, but right after that, another show na naman.
Yeah, they travel for 6 hours and gotta get ready to perform again. That's crazy.
Enjoy kami sa ginagawa namin. Sobrang saya. Of course, ibibigay talaga namin lahat yung best namin para sa magandang show, para syempre hindi ma-disappoint yung mga fans. As a way of thanking them, ito yung bagay na best na magawa talaga namin sa kanila para mapasaya sila. So,
and look at that, they're unloading their own stuff, all that stuff. They did so much of this themselves, That's the heart they put into it.
Hi. Tingnan mo, ganda ng stage show. Tsaka, parang laki ng capacity na ito. Parang naman dito, giving. Kasi para sa mga nagpa-perform, iba rin talaga pag mayroong magandang setup. Mas nakakadala ng feeling. Magandang sound system, magandang lights, and everything. Basta lahat.
Give me the rest. Alright. Okay na. Okay na. Okay, let's go.
Si San Francisco, si LA, nakapunta na kami before. Si Chicago, tsaka Dallas. First time namin. To be honest, struggling yung ticket sales nung una. Wala pa kami sa US. Parang nakaka-worry baka mamaya hindi mapuno. Pero pagdating namin doon, puno naman lahat. So, nakakatuwa. Gento lang alam nila usually. Pero pag mga kanta namin na iba, hindi sila sumasabay masyado. Merong mga konti-konti. Kasi puro foreigners nga. Pero it turned out na parang nag-enjoy naman sila.
These guys work so hard to put on a great show. They really do. I can't imagine seeing them live. I gotta see them live.
SB, nilagyan ko ng kuya na clothing. Iilaw mo yan sa blackout. Nakamono.
Ngayon naka-stereo na po siya. Huwag kang kabahan.
sa left.
Okay. Okay na? Perfect. Try natin with music. Gusto niyo cream soap na?
So far, super tiring kasi bukod sa back-to-back shows yung ginagawa namin, may travel, iba yung weather, tapos may ibang activities pa kaming ginagawa. Kukuha lang ako ng good vibes para masaya kahit mapagod na yung katawan. Importante nag-e-enjoy sa stage. Pero let's go. Kaya natin yan.
Nakakita pero lang kung ito kumuloy.
Man, they don't stop.
Paano nga ba may siya bigat ng aking nararamdaman?
So much heart and determination. Determinate. Man, I can't think of the word. Determination. Man, that was tough. Look at those glasses. That's awesome. That's awesome.
Okay, 1 minute po.
May nabit akong record kahapon. Isang lola lang nagamit ko.
Yes, be ready.
Pero parang ang ganda ka nagpasense mo out mo. Baka mas okay ko dito. Naglolaw ka nga po. Hindi, amin ko.
Ready po.
Wala natin lang tinayo. Sabi mo, hindi ka naglola.
Okay, go. SB19, go on stage. SB, go on stage.
Go on stage. Okay.
Para kaming pilay. Ganun mo siya makikita na luluwas ka para magsapalaran. Ganun talaga yung feeling na bahala na, kakayanin. Kailangan mong lakasan yung loob.
Bukod sa maganda panoorin, may backup dancers. Importante energy kasi yun yung nabibigay ng scout sa amin.
Mama, baby, mash my M&M's. Mama, baby, mash my M&M's. Woo!
It's crazy. They travel from one show, get to the next show, and it's like they gotta work all day to get ready for the show. That is so much work.
Left na po.
Every time na mag-perform kami kasama sila, ramdam namin na mas malakas kami.
Yung energy na
Yeah, when they got
meron
the scouts
pang
with them.
mahigit 10 tao na nag-cheer sa paligid mo, kasabay mong sumasayaw sa nakakawalan ng kaba.
Very tiring, back to back.
Yeah.
Pero mga times na parang hindi ka pa nakakahiga. Lipad na, alis na, biyahe na. Parang feeling mo yung yung tulog mo, pikit lang eh. Ganun lang. Okay, nandito na. Prepare na. Okay, makeup na.
Ang pinaka nakaka-worry doon, yung boses.
Yes.
Kasi, fall out ka eh. Parang ilang oras yung performance natin? Almost 2 ba?
Almost
2 hours yung concert.
concert.
So, lahat yun kakantahin mo. Kasi syempre, mic is on eh. Then, parang paperform yun. Tapos kinabukasan, wala ka pang tulog, ipaperform mo ulit.
Yeah, the mics are on, so they got to be talking, perform the entire time.
Na-announce mo, Josh, na may busking kayo.
Sabi ko, may something special. Sabi mo, huwag ko sabihin exact eh.
First time niya ata mag-busking eh.
Nag-busking na kami dati. Nag-ano pa kami. Keep it to me now.
Nag-busking kayo?
Saan yung staff?
Talaga?
Yeah, isn't busking where you just like perform on the street? I think that's what it's called. That'd be crazy that you're out there and they just show up on the street and start. What's the chances? That's amazing. That's awesome. That is so cool they did that. Tell you what, right there, if those people didn't know who they are, after seeing something like that and seeing how real they are, they became fans right there. And I feel as soon as they saw that, they left, the SB19 left the area, they started checking them out on YouTube and all that stuff, and they see how much heart, determination they put into everything, how hard they work. and they just gonna fall in love with them. They're an amazing group. From LA to New York. See, they got people waiting there for him already.
Thank you so much. See you soon. Okay, now let's take a photo.
Okay, thank you.
Awesome, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks everyone for coming. So happy to have SB19 back. I like this season.
Pag ganito yung office mo, feeling ko lahat ng trabaho na pang isang buwan, natapos mo na agad ng 3 araw.
Oh, you know whose chair that is? DJ Khaled's chair.
Oh, DJ Khaled.
It's from his album cover, I think. Get a little closer, guys. There you go.
See, they don't stop now. They're doing like a magazine shoot. They had to do interviews on TV.
Oh, is that the spirit?
Yeah, tree spirit.
The spirit of SB19.
It's like they're working 24/7.
Can we just stay on this side?
Sino today ba birthday mo?
Bacon yung isa.
Bukas pa.
Pero parang sa Pilipinas.
Ngayon na.
Happy birthday to you.
Ilan taon ka na, 18?
Pero bukas na.
7.
Ay, 17?
Man, they look beat.
Mapufulfill ba namin yung expectations ng lahat ng mga manonood sa amin, kung ano yung response nila sa amin. Yun lang naman sa akin yung iniisip ko. Magandahan ba sila? Satisfied ba sila sa namin, sa performance namin? Masaya ba sila? Gusto ko yung ganitong setting. Lorraine, tayo lang nakatayo lang mga tao. Angas. Maganda. Gusto ko lang na maging successful lahat and maging masaya lahat ng mga manonood sa amin. And healthy kami palagi, safe kami.
B-O-B-O-B, B-O-B-O-B, B-O-B-O-B.
Tagal pa natin bago umuwi sa Pilipinas. I can't take this anymore. Hindi pala ako pwede OFW.
Sa loob ng sando ba? Hindi, no?
Hindi pa, kahit sa ano.
If ever ba, kaya na ano?
Ay, sa loob na lang, sige ate, sa loob
Depende
pala.
sa boses ko, maglalo na ako.
Oo. Ay, ano ba natatansya mo ngayon?
Hindi, mamaya ako mamatansya pag solo na.
Ano pinastandby mo for this show?
Look at this, just getting ready with the outfits and everything. They gotta run the wires and all that stuff, man. It's so much work.
Pag bumaba kayo, may mga sign dyan. Tingnan nyo kung saan kayo pupwesto. Kayo magbihis on your own.
Ate Leia? May lola dyan?
They look amazing with those outfits. They really do.
Isa sa talaga namin is to bring Filipino music sa world scene.
They are doing that now, 100%.
Kumbaga, pag sinabi mong pop sa Pinas, yung tatatak agad, SB19 yan, sila yung nag-represent ng Philippines. Hopefully, dadami yung artist na talaga, kumbaga, susunod din sa amin, magtulungan din para umangat din yung Filipino music and Filipino culture, di ba?
They gotta run down the stairs, do the quick change, and they gotta run back out there. Man, that is so much.
Chicken daw bumaba. Sabi ko nasa quick chicken bumaba. Chicken! Sayan! Lumapit ka daw sa stage.
May bisyo,
So much emotion. So much emotion right there.
Pero I feel like we're all not feeling well today. Siguro, it's not a good day. Baka sa weather or pwedeng nagkataon.
Go ahead and stop it there. Man, you could just see the emotion with Pablo singing that. You know, we had the view from the back, and he just kind of came off stage, and like, you know, like Josh said, it's not a good day. They just weren't feeling good. But I mean, you gotta imagine when they do a show and travel, do a show and travel, do a show and travel, is show after show after show, a radio show, a TV show, a magazine shoot. They're doing so much and working so hard just to, you know, get themselves out there to represent themselves in the best way they can and show people who they are and let people discover them. And, you know, they went out busking on the street as well and, you know, got a big group of people around them. And like I said, those people probably didn't know who they were at the time, or most of the people didn't know who they were, but they know who they are now. And they're probably so, once they figured out who they were, you know, after SB19 left the area, they're like, oh my God, look who we just, you know, we were just dancing in the street with these guys. Such an amazing group of guys. They are awesome. They work so hard. They got so much heart, so much determination, you know, and it's cool kind of watching this now, knowing where they are, or watching this now from then and knowing where they are now and how they're representing. And, you know, they're like the ambassadors of Filipino pop, of P-pop. They really are, and bringing the culture to around the world. And it's amazing what they're doing. It really is. I'm having an amazing time watching this. I'll definitely, like I said, I'll have the rest of the episodes coming faster. But you guys let me know what you think in the comments below. But that was amazing. You guys, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you're not a part of J2R family, hit that subscribe button. And make sure you go check out the rest of our SB19 reactions.